Hi guys, welcome back to Scrapping Scotland. Today we're going to work with degaussing cables. Okay, so I'm going to take one apart and show you that old TVs are a fantastic source of old copper. From the yoke, I'm sure you've seen the yokes before. It's like a little cone shaped thing that goes on the back of the glass on the old screens. But there's also additional copper, not just on the boards where you get a couple of little transformers or some inductors, but also the degaussing cable. The degaussing cable looks like a standard cable. It's just copper wrapped in insulation tape. So don't forget them, guys. It's a great source of copper, and I'm going to show you. Okay. Degaussing cable. So there you go. Goes round the outside of the glass and the inside of the TV. Okay, so very close to the front panel, right at the inside of the glass, goes right all the way around the outside of it. Okay, some of these are thicker than others. This one isn't that thick, as you can see, but they do contain copper. Okay, you can see here, you can see the copper there inside that. So we're going to unwind this one. A lot of people cut it, just cut it right off. I don't have something to cut it at the moment, so I'm just going to unwind it. Okay, let's go. See how quick we can unwind it. That's the first layer off. Usually there is only one layer. This is unusual having two layers. Okay, so bit of a pain, but is what it is. We'll have to go and take off the second layer. Off. Make sure it's nice and clean. There we go. Okay, probably about a metre if it was not doubled over. Okay, we'll just wrap that up. So it took us just over 10 minutes really. As I say, mostly they are just one layer of insulation tape. That one was two layers, so it took a little bit longer. But we got a nice little bit of copper out of it. It's not a huge piece, but 10 minutes, yeah. If you've got quite a few of these degaussing cables, that will add up quite quickly. Okay, so I've done, in the last half hour, I've done about 3 of them, so yeah. There's 3 bits of nice little reels of copper. Okay, tell me what you do, guys. Do you unwrap them? Do you just cut them with a knife? I'm thinking cutting them with a knife is probably the best option, but I just unwrap them because, again, don't want to damage the copper with a knife or whatever it may be, so I just unwrap it. It's easy enough, takes a little bit of time, but I'm not in a hurry. But let me know what you do. So don't leave those cables behind, guys. Make sure you take them out of the TVs and you make sure you get that copper from those cables. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Scrapping Scotland.